About to go hook this trailer up and make a road trip to Larry's real quick. Are y'all ready to see what I got from Larry's? This is my next winter project. A John Deere 170 lawn tractor. That needs some work. Definitely needs cosmetic work. Pull out the trailer. I had a strap break right before we got home. Fiberglass work right here, not too bad of a deal. Someone attempts it right here and sand it down. All the cables seem to be intact working. Let me put this down while I try to get in this hood. Alright. Here we go. The engine ain't locked up. Looking at this battery being 2017, this thing actually might fire up. I don't know if I got any jumper cables around here. We hook up to see if this thing will fire. But all these cables are working right. Look at that. Oh, this is kind of some kind of electric type choke. That's unique. So anyway, it's got a Kawasaki SC420. Cosmetic wise, it needs some work. Mechanically, I don't think it's going to be too bad mechanically. Of course, getting it running is the first part, and then we go on to fixing this up. I might have some paint and stuff left over from working on the John Deere 110 when I get it done. We'll wait and see. But that would be perfect paint for that, and then I got a seat. This is definitely not the right cap for it. The gas has been drained. Let me see if I can find some jumper cables to see if we can get this thing to start. See what we got. Oh, the choke's all the way up. I was thinking electronic choke. I don't know why I was thinking electronic choke. Yeah, let's try something else. I do not know why. I guess he's got in my house like electronic choke switch. No, it ain't electronic choke switch. It's the light. It's the dang light. Oh, sorry guys, I'm holding the camera weird. see that. Y'all didn't see me turn the key switch the wrong way. I'm sorry. How's that, guys? But anyway, I'm wondering now. Question being now, oh wow, the deck works great too. That's a pretty good $50 buy. Well, anyway, thanks everybody for watching this video. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Thanks again, guys.